Okay, so yes, I'm a little bit excited because this came today. And you're going to be here with me while I open it. This is the part that everybody loves, right? Ta-da! God, I love the smell of new things. So this is the speaker. It is in a bag at the moment. We will get that out very shortly. But let's see what else is in the box. So, in the box, you get your power adapter as well. You've also got some instructions. You've got a cleaning cloth and a warranty thing. You know, in case something happens to it. And for my next trick, I will make a speaker appear from this bag. It already looks like a beast. It's quite heavy actually, to be fair. It's heavier than I expected for the size of it too, to be fair. But in small things can come great packages, and I can't wait to give this a bit of a test. Anyone know where the on button is? Come and join me on my next video when I get to try out this bad boy and really push it to its limits. If you like this video, guys, don't forget as well, you can like and comment, and you can also subscribe if you're feeling like sharing the love.